Ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Magic Mountain. Hello, everybody. All right. Peter, we're stopping you to another train on the track. Also, the people that are going to play is the train station. I will end it in all this time. Station is Peter, the temperature, and please stop. To the exit on the platform. Please stand here and wait for your food. Thank you. There's a door. Mommy, let me grab that shit. There's a door. Dude, go get it. Without everything over the paper, that's the big way. Thank you guys for concept station. This is a ride for that little white trip. And that's the Gold Rush Show. The Gold Rush Show has info on the gold tracks on the road to my life. He's a very young number two, throughout the day.